Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is gonna be a little special because आज से I'm gonna try to vlog in Hindi थोड़ा बहुत. कल रात को मॉम ने मुझे challenge किया कि you should try doing a vlog in Hindi. Initially the plan was that I was gonna go to the skating rink, but as it turns out the lockdown did end, but the rain started. And just for reference, just hear the waves. Okay, so I'm finally on my way to the skating rink once again, and as you can see, the sea behind me is so beautiful. Now, I have been doing this for the last week or so. It's kind of like a morning routine at this point, because if I don't come here, I'm not calm enough, I'm not enthusiastic enough to actually continue with the day. Okay, on second thought, I don't think the rink is gonna be dry enough. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna make myself and mom some breakfast and surprise her with it because, well, good sun vibes. Okay, I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna see you guys because coronavirus still exists and we're still screwed. But you get my vlogs though, that's good. I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Oh hey, you've made it. So, you've stuck around, huh? That's sweet of you. Anyways, I have to quickly get ready and maybe clean the house a little bit, and then I have to head out to some place. It's at Mahalakshmi, so pretty far away, 1 hour drive. Anyway, that's not the important part. The important part is the reason why I'm going there, and that reason I'm gonna tell you guys in a couple of weeks, like maybe a month or so, and it is an amazing reason. You guys are gonna love it. So this has got to be something about being a YouTuber. I've been trying to get ready for like the past 1 hour or something, and I just got ready, which is like super weird because it should not be taking this long. And mom's headed down to the bank. Okay, so I can't tell you a lot of things about where I'm going or what I'm doing right now, but it's for a very good thing, and I really hope you guys pray for me. If it happens, that will be the best thing ever. That's all. Okay, so the thing I was going for has been done, and believe me, it was such a smooth procedure. In fact, it was so smooth that I wasn't carrying my cell phone, right? And she's like, would you like to give us a review? I was like, whoa, check this out. Ah, please, 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 please. Come, come, come. Bro, that is definitely what I want. Okay, so it was so smooth, like I was saying, that I literally didn't carry my phone, and I was like, give me the website, तो मैं review डालूँ, क्योंकि इतना easily, and they were so sweet, बहुत मज़ा आया. And we had chai. Mom and I had chai. I didn't record it because like chai is like a moment to enjoy, you know. क्या बोलते हो? And बहुत super bro, like अलग level का chai. And now we're going back home, but first we'll stop at McDonald's. Majani life. Okay, so the funniest thing happened where I have this amazing lady with me. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, myself Sonali.
Sonali. Okay, so my mom and I just came to McDonald's, like I told you guys, and it's amazing because जैसे ही mom was like she saw ice cream, and mom loves McDonald's का vanilla ice cream.
Coincidence.
She's like, yeah, coincidentally or by happenstance, she didn't want to have ice cream, so she's like, ma'am, please आप ले लोगे, and mom's like, okay. So that was amazing. नसीब में था. So
दाने दाने पर लिखा है खाने
हाँ, दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम। ओके, सो मैं जस्ट घर पहुंचा एंड इट्स ऑल गुड। सब काम था वो सब हो गया है, बट बैंक का काम अभी भी बाकी है। रिगार्डलेस, जस्ट एज अ वार्निंग फॉर एवरीवन, जब भी आप उबर में ट्रैवल करते हो या कुछ भी करते हो, दे कांट चार्ज यू एक्स्ट्रा फॉर टोल्स। टोल नाका जैसे वर्ली सीलिंग हो गया वो सब, दे कैन नॉट चार्ज यू एक्स्ट्रा। हमारा जो बंदा था उसने बोला कि 70 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा देने पड़ेंगे एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं देने होते। और वो रेडी ही नहीं था ब्रो, ही वॉज नॉट रेडी टू गो फ्रॉम दैट द वर्ली सीलिंग, एंड आई वाज लाइक भैया रूट पे वही है। ही इज लाइक नहीं, मेरा रूट अलग है। एंड द गाय इज ओपनिंग गूगल मैप्स एंड ही इज लाइक देखो अलग है। हम लाइक अपने गूगल मैप्स खोला है एंड देन खुद ही वो चेंज कर रहा है वापस। व्हेन ही ओपनड इट, वर्ली सीलिंग दिखाया, देन इज लाइक नहीं नहीं देखो ये। आई वाज लाइक बॉस, ऑनलाइन दिया है कि अगर वो टोल का चीज़ होता है एंड इट्स नॉट कॉम्पनसेटेड ऑलरेडी इन योर राइड, वो पैसे बढ़ के आ जाएंगे, तो आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए। बिल्कुल वर्कड आउट ग्रेट, बिकॉज देन ही वाज लाइक हाँ ठीक है दिख रहा है। एंड अंटिल द एंड ही डिडंट एक्सेप्ट इट, बट फाइनली ना ड्राइव समरी होता है, वहाँ पे लिख के आता है कि योर चार्ज, योर वेटिंग टाइम एंड योर टोल। फाइनली ही अग्रीड, सो ऑल दैट एंड्स वेल इज वेल। Quick trophy check part 2, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of the vlog, and obviously I think the vlog was pretty good, although I had to keep some things a secret, but believe me when I tell you guys about it, it's gonna be awesome, and the wait will definitely be worth it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. And also, if possible, share the video. I love you guys so much. Have a good one. Peace.